The automobile brand Polestar launched its smartphone, the Polestar phone. It offers a single version with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The device has an ultimate simple luxury design with Polestar white as its primary color. The back panel, made of AG glass, undergoes a soft sand crystal flash process for a polished finish. The Polestar logo is stamped and silk screened onto the glass back panel to create a unique texture. The phone runs on Polestar Phone OS, and the device emphasizes its AI capabilities, supporting AI-powered features like map search, knowledge queries, and more. On the front, the phone has a BOE 6.79-inch 2K plus resolution display with a 120Hz LTPO refresh rate and a 21:9 aspect ratio. Phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and features dual ultra-linear speakers with polymer nano amplification technology for enhanced sound. It houses a 5050 mAh battery and supports 80-watt wired charging. In terms of photography, it has a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera. The phone is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance.